Hello everyone, this is Alberto from Home Global and welcome today to see this beautiful property together. I would like first to introduce you a bit the developer because he has been very successful since 2007 and during this time he has already completed and sold out 7 villas projects. And today we are among the lucky ones to see the latest project, which is located in Chantalay, the most popular area of Phuket nowadays, and only 20 minutes away from the airport. This new phase is going to have 39 units, 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom. All they are going to be in modern tropical style, and today I want to show you the 2 bedroom layout. So come with me. So here we're going to see first the dining area with this beautiful 6-seated dining table with very beautiful wood material. Over here, beautiful white quartz counter with this modern kitchen. Is one of the few villas where I also see feature an induction electric stove and also gas stove, so you can cook in the way you prefer. Over there you can also see the living room, so in beautiful color, the sofa and everything. So we're going to see first the smallest of the 2 bedroom. Come with me. All the bedrooms are featured with this outdoor area with plants, so to make it feel like you are in the tropic. All the bedrooms have ensuite toilet, and here one of the features is all the stones are imported from Bali. Huge shower, of course with a rain shower feature. And let's go to see the master bedroom. The master bedroom, of course, is facing on the pool. It's a bigger size bedroom, obviously. Look at this beautiful swimming pool, all in black stone. Even the stones of the swimming pool, all imported from Bali. The master bedroom has a huge walk-in closet on your left and your right side. And come to see this, the bathroom of the master bedroom. So this beautiful wall, actually this kind of style is the signature of this developer. All his projects have this feature as the wall of the bathroom. It's incredible. I would like to be in this bathroom every day. And because we are in Phuket, the outdoor of your villa is very important. And this developer, I believe he did an amazing job with the design of the outdoor area. Here we can find an amazing swimming pool, 4 by 10 meter with 1.1 until 1.7 depth. And look all the plants, the tropical plants that are surrounding this area. On this side of the outdoor, you also have some beds for your comfortable afternoon, a very comfortable outdoor sofa here. This property starts for only 20 million baht. So only one thing you still have to do, contact us to get all the information about this beautiful project. So I would like to thank you everyone for being with us today, and have a great day everyone. Ciao.